Thank you for purchasing the Micro Dewatering Pump Station. Your Micro Pump Station has been designed to provide exceptional levels of performance over many years. However, just like other high-performance equipment, it's important that you correctly look after and maintain the pump station to ensure long-term optimal performance and functionality. In this video, we're going to focus on a few key areas of maintenance that you can do at home without the need of a qualified pump engineer attending site. Before you begin any work on your pump station, you should always ensure that the power is disconnected to the system to avoid any accidents or injury. Firstly, let's take a look at how you can remove the pump from the chamber. Begin by removing the access cover of the station. If your chamber has been installed, you can easily lift the cover by unscrewing the 3 screws found on the top, and then applying leverage with a tool such as a screwdriver in the small notch located on the perimeter of the access cover. Now that you have removed the cover, you'll be able to see the internal pipework and the pump inside the chamber. To remove the pump, you'll need to unscrew the white non-return valve. Simply twist the fitting closest to the pump in a counterclockwise direction. This will detach the pump from the pipework, and you're now ready to lift it from the chamber. These pumps can be heavy, so for safety purposes, we recommend you take all the necessary precautions by using non-slip gloves and any other measures necessary for your particular application. Once the pump is removed, it's time to carry out the minor upkeep of the unit. You will see that the bottom of the pump is constructed from cast iron. While extremely hard wearing, it can be liable to rust and corrosion if not maintained correctly. For this next step, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area to avoid breathing in any of the supplied GT85. Begin by spraying the bottom of the pump with the provided GT85, ensuring a decent and even coverage throughout. You can wipe off any excess or overspray with a rag if needed. It's also recommended to spray the impeller at the bottom of the unit. Once you've done this, you can use an implement such as a screwdriver to check free rotation of the impeller. Never use your fingers, not even if the power is disconnected. You can now place the pump back in the chamber and reattach it to the non-return valve. Once secure, we recommend filling the chamber with a hose and running the system for 1 complete cycle to ensure correct operation. You will now need to seal the top of the chamber prior to replacing the lid. You can do this by brushing on a liberal amount of grease that comes with your maintenance kit. You can now replace the lid and secure back into position. This maintenance practice should be carried out every 3 months as good practice to ensure a long lifespan of your micro system.